Hello, welcome. Question number 20. We are to evaluate the definite integral. This is WASSCE 2025 Further Mathematics for Ghanaian students. So if we have the definite integral of from 1 to 4 of the root of x plus x dx, this can be changed with the root being a power of half as the integral from 1 to 4 of x power half, then plus x, then dx. Remember, under integration, we increase the power by 1, divide by the result. So if you add 1 to this is 1 over 2 plus 1. That will be 3 over 2. We divide by that. So if I have something divided by 3 over 2, you see this 2 goes up to become 2a over 3. So I'm going to move straight to that since this is section A. So I'm going to have this to become if you add 1, you're having 3 on 2. So the 2 is going up. So 2 on 3, x to the power 3 on 2. You see this is the power. The 2 goes up, the 3 come down. Plus this. We add 1 to this power. That make it power 2. Divide by the result. So x divided by what? 2. The limit is upper limit 4, lower limit 1. So the only thing is to replace the x by 4 minus replace the x by 1 and see what that will be. So from here, let's maintain 2 on 3. Let's put here 4 raised to the power 3 on 2 plus 4 raised to the power 2 on 2 minus 2 raised to the power 2, 3. The lower limit is 1 raised to the power 3 on 2 plus 1. I think here the power 2 is missing here, so the power 2 should be there. So I can put the 2 here and put over 2 and that. My board is small. But in this place, this is more or less like 1 over 2 raised to the power 3. The power here, this one, is the same as this. So the power of half was also a square root, meaning square root of 4. The answer raised to the power what? 3. And square root of 4 will give you what? 2. Raised to the power 3 will be what? 8. So 8 times 2 on 3. That's what is going to be here. So this will give you 16 on 3. I want to move in a step that I will not need extra space for the board. So I'm going to have 16 on 3 plus, right here is 16 divided by 2. That will give us only 8 minus whatever power we put on 1. It remains the same. So 1 times 2 on 3. Then 1 square still remains the same, 1 over 2. All right. So what do we do? Let's solve this one separately. Having denominator of 1, LCM of 3, so 16 plus 1 go here 3. 3 times this 24 minus this will multiply this. The LCM will be 6, so this will multiply this to be 4. This will multiply this to be 3, still together. This will give you 30, 40 on 3, 7 on what? 6. So what do? We multiply both sides here by 2, right? That make it 80 on 6, 7 on 6. Same base. We subtract the top. And that will be giving you 73, I guess, right? Divided by what? 6. But 6 can go into 73 12 times. That is 72. So it goes there, 12 whole number, remainder 1 on what? 6. And which of the option? I think the option D will be the best fit for this question. Option D. All right. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.